Hi, this is Kelly Williams, nutritionist with the Worcester County Health Department, and welcome to a special holiday episode of What's Cooking in Worcester. I know we're all really busy this time of year, and it can be super challenging to give our kids and our families healthy, nutritious options when we're confronted with so many sweet treats. But I've got something that's not only nutritious, but also delicious, and your kids are gonna love it. Let's get started. Today we are making a Grinch smoothie. It's gonna be really fun with some unexpected ingredients, but I promise you, it's super delicious. We're gonna start off with any blender that you have at home, and we're going to begin with one small frozen banana. Okay, add in about a handful of baby spinach. And I know you're thinking, my kid doesn't eat spinach, but guess what? Your kid or you will never know the spinach is in here. Okay, we're going to add our protein element. I have some no sugar added vanilla yogurt. And let's get all of that. And this is just a single serve cup, so it's about a 5 to 6 ounce size. And that's really all you need. Okay. We're gonna add about a cup of ice. Okay. And you can use milk of choice, or you could just use water, but coconut milk, almond milk, dairy milk, whatever you like. And we're gonna start with just a bit of this, and we'll add more as we need. Basically, you just want to get the consistency that your child or your family enjoys. So we're going to go ahead and give this a whirl and check it out in just a second. Okay. And as I said, you want to get this to whatever consistency your family enjoys. If you like it a little more frosty, add some more ice. If you like it a little more liquidy, add some more water or milk. And now we're just going to pour that in a glass. And look at this bright green, Grinchy color. This is the part your kids are gonna love. And you didn't have to add any food coloring or dyes or anything to this. This great color comes just from the spinach. Now, this is the part that makes it a treat too. We're gonna use a little bit of canned whipped topping. Add that to the top. And I'm gonna add some peppermint bits, so you could just crush up a candy cane or a little mint or any fun Christmassy holiday sprinkles that you have. Put those over top and give it a straw, and voila. There you have your healthy, nutritious, delicious Grinch smoothie for the holiday season. Remember to eat healthy, be active, and prevent diabetes today.